Do you also feel like when you start learning Python and watch some videos, you will be introduced to some new tools and new concepts, but the person introducing you to those concepts does not clearly explain to you what those tools are and why we use them? Well, you're not alone in this. I too face this problem, and then I made up my mind that I'm not gonna be like those people, and I will explain each concept in the simplest terms known to mankind. So today we will be talking about Python, Conda environment, and Python libraries in a bit more relatable way, like playing football. So let's dive into our today's video. Imagine you are excited to learn football. The very first thing you need is a football itself, right? Yes, in our world of programming, that football is Python, the very important tool that you need to play the game, or in this case, to start coding. But just having football isn't just enough. We also need a place to play, a playground, which is often part of a school or a college that provides you with all the space and all the facilities that you need to practice. In the Python universe, this school is known as Conda. So Conda provides us with an environment where we can learn to code and create amazing scripts. Conda also provides us with Python libraries, which are really important for our coding journey. So now let's talk about this Conda environment and Python libraries. Think of Conda environments as different playgrounds. Like school provides us with different playgrounds for badminton, separate playgrounds for football, and separate playgrounds for cricket. In the same way, Conda provides us with Conda environments where we can work on multiple projects without mixing them with each other. Like you can work on your calculator script and you can also work on your rock, paper, scissors script in a different environment without mixing them with each other. Each project has its own environment, like its own field, with all the tools and libraries that it needs in a cleanly organized way. So in a nutshell, Conda environment acts as different playgrounds for different games. So Conda also provides us with Python libraries for each of our environment. So what are these Python libraries? To understand this, let's go back to our football example. When we play football, we need shoes, dress, gloves, and some other things too. Now we are not gonna manufacture our own shoes or gloves because that's really time consuming and expensive thing. But there are some other people and companies that had already manufactured those shoes and gloves for us. Why not just get it from them? Similarly, in Python, there are libraries that are collections of pre-written code for our common works. They're written by highly talented people across the globe. Suppose when you're working on your Python script, sometimes you need some heavy calculation or you have to perform some big thing like controlling your mouse pointer or controlling your keyboard. So instead of writing that whole code to control your mouse pointer, you can just use Python libraries. For example, in this code, see this line. So here math is our Python library that contains a lot of ready-made functions that we can use in our code. For example, if we want to calculate the square root of any number, then we can just use square root function from math library. It makes our coding experience much easier. So guys, that's the end of our video. If you learned something, please don't forget to like and subscribe.